Hello, good morning, Pabitra.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss on the topic
Happiness.
happiness. All right, great. So it's really interesting topic, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. What makes you happy?
By spending time with family and listening to music and traveling with my friends, close friends.
Okay, these things may makes you happy.
Yeah.
All right. Do you think money can buy happiness?
To some extent, yes. We, money gives us freedom and comfortable, but not lasting, not
Mhm.
lasting emotional well-being.
Mhm. And are people in your country generally happy?
Yeah, in my country, people are happy uh, because of their
Mhm.
they are
Yeah.
satisfied with their job.
Mhm. Okay. And what role does health play in happiness?
Absolutely, okay,
Mhm.
health play in happiness. Without health, people unable to be happy. Yeah,
Is happiness the same for everyone?
no, happiness is not same for everyone.
Mhm.
Um, some people are happy with their low income, but some people they because of their unwanted things they unable to be happy with small things.
Okay. They are unable to happy. All right. Can helping other makes us happy?
Absolutely. If we helping other, especially for needy people, it makes we feel happy.
Mhm. Okay. And how can people stay happy during tough times?
People stay happy during tough time by reducing stress and helping other needy people, and then spending time with nature, spending time with family, and especially close friends.
Mm. And what age group do you think is the happiest one?
Maybe childhood because it's a free of responsibility, but some people find happiness in adulthood achievement.
All right. Do hobbies contribute to happiness?
Yeah, absolutely. Hobbies provide us relaxation and then yeah, peace.
And how do you measure happiness in life?
Um, I measure happiness in my life by relationship with your family and able to enjoy with little things.
Okay. Is happiness more important than success?
Yeah, in my opinion, happiness is more important than success. Uh, because without happiness, we can't be happy even we have everything.
Okay, fine. Do you think social media affects happiness?
Yeah, to some extent, yes, because uh, because of social media, they brings negative or positive impacts, but
Mhm.
it depends.
All right. Can travel make people happy?
Yeah, uh, when we travel, it makes us more happy than other things we do. Because of traveling, we explore new things and we learn new knowledge. And yeah,
Mm. What kind of jobs make people happy?
uh, in my opinion, the job which they prefer, they really wanted to do.
Mhm.
Uh,
This. Huh?
yeah, that makes happy.
All right. Are rich people always happy? What do you think?
No, absolutely no,
Uh huh.
because money does not provide us happiness. Uh, but if we have no money, yeah, enough money, if we are able to be happy in small things, that that's main things.
All right. Fine. What small things make you happy?
Yeah, yeah, good relationship with family and yeah, peaceful mind and yeah, that things.
Mm. Does weather affect your mood and happiness?
Yeah, sunny weather makes you more energetic. Yeah.
Okay. And what is more important, inner peace or happiness?
I think inner peace is more important than happiness. Uh, and yeah,
All right. Inner peace may be the foundation for
happiness.
happiness. All right. What is the happiest moment in your life so far?
The happiest moment in my life is when I met my family. Yeah. I stay far from them, but
Mhm. Okay. And so you want to connect with them
yeah,
at the time. Uh, you would be enjoying, or you would be having happiest time.
yeah,
Okay. Last question for you. That is, do children seem happier than adults?
yeah, absolutely. Because it's free from responsibilities and stress of uh, study and other things. That's why childhood is happiest.
Fine. Do you like to ask any questions related to the topic happiness? If you have any questions, I would answer.
At the time, no, sir.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.